Hello everyone, I'm Andy, and this is Database Detective Minor Crimes Division. So, a detectivist game which is very cute, as it seems, which is done on our desktop. Okay, I'm gonna just open this.
Well.
Oh.
Look who's decided to leave work early. Detective, it hasn't even been 5 minutes and you're already leaving? You know, logging out of work early is against the law for most occupations in Los Angeles. Not your occupation, though, so you can leave when you want.
Nice.
Hey.
Hello, we have our own support pet. Hello. I haven't seen you around before. I'm an intern from the Mallman department here to help out. Want me to show you around? Yes, please. Start by checking your messages if you haven't already. Okay. So we have this as well.
Hey there, recruit. Welcome to the Minor Crimes Division of the Los Angeles Police Department. This is your first day as a database detective, correct? You know, not many people sign up for this job, and between you and me, we need all the help we can get. These days, people seem to think they can commit all the minor crimes they want. Littering, shoplifting, jaywalking, just disregarding the delicate balance of law and order, tearing down the social contract that ties us all together. But that's where we come in. We're here to stop those who think they can get away with the little things. Things that people might not think are a big deal. But the road to hell is paved one brick at a time. Think about it. One day, someone accidentally leaves some paint on private property. No big deal, they might think, until they realize, if I can get away with that, what else can I get away with? And then they'll start thinking they can get away with killing our innocent women and children, abducting them from the cover of night, and ripping their flesh from limb to limb, all because we let them get away with something they shouldn't have. And that's what we have here. We caught a group of suspects around the sidewalk in Bleecker Street that was vandalized with paint. I've downloaded the suspect data into your desktop. This should be a good first case for you, Detective. We'll need you to figure out who was the one responsible. If we don't catch the right person, I don't even want to know what they'll get away with in the future. If you're not sure where to start, why don't you read the little instruction manual thingy that's on your computer?
I get it. So yeah, basically the first two paragraphs were, you know, minor crimes are also important, because imagine if they get away with the minor ones, what could they do later on? Once you get debrief, you should go through the piece of evidence. Okay, so we've got information. Suspects. So we've got 4. Okay, and this will be very useful. Occupation: child, retired banker, painter. Still have manual. Oh my days. Okay, so we have all of the information here. I don't think we will need to use it now. Although, we'll see, because I cannot go to chapter 2 actually, so I guess, yeah, okay. I'm not being overloaded with information, so that's good. Yeah, so we can probably type this. Tables are row column names. Yeah, sure, okay. Well, if we need it, we'll use it, I suppose. We have clues. So these are clues about everything. So yeah. A paint somewhere in the private property. So that's the child. That's the second one. Well, I can already tell who it probably is. I mean... Okay, most of the time you should also be provided some data related to your case. So that's suspects, right? Yeah. There's usually a lot of data to go through. Use this application to write a SQL query to fetch the specific data you want. Okay, so we can do save table. Okay. Okay, we won't need it for this case. Okay. Not sure what a SQL query is. Just read a helpful textbook. I'm just gonna check quickly. So, for example, like, how do we use this? There must be something, right, about how to use it. You can click on a value in a table to copy it into your clipboard. Okay, that's fine. So we have a table here, right? And I'm assuming we can, yeah, take something from it. Okay, we'll see. It will teach us as we go, probably. Once you're confident about who the perpetrator is, just fill out the arrest warrant using this icon to finish your case. That's all for now. Okay. So, arrest. If you need any help, just click on my face. Thank you. Okay. You are commanded to arrest 17435. Jeff Painterson. Vandalism in the state of... Okay, well, I think it's this one, right? I mean... I sure this is who you want to arrest. I like how chill it is when it's about arresting people and stuff like that. I like the cute vibe of it though. Suspect arrested. Nice. Okay. Let's get like a real one.
Okay, that one was pretty obvious, but hey, you solved your first case. And don't worry, the perp is on his way right now to be rehabilitated. Oh, we'll never see him again. Oh, we also got a new case for you. Seems like someone wanted to litter on the campus of our local elementary school this morning. Our suspect threw away what looks like an ID card. Their name is scratched off, but we have a hunch. Call it a sneaking suspicion that the suspect we're looking for is a teacher in the school that we found the ID card from. To think that a criminal like this might be with children at this current moment. Just disgusting.
Okay, we managed to get you a list of every teacher. The case is a little harder than previous, so you might want to learn how to search through data properly. You can read more about this in the second chapter. There we go. So second chapter is showing us that. Oh my god. Oh boy. Okay. I think I'll have to read this on my own to make sense of it. Yeah, because there's a lot of teachers. Clues. So you have Earth, post-litter. Here's some, oops, littering. And where is it? An ID cards. But is this for sure like hers? Like she littered? Is that something that we know? Okay. Well, I'm gonna see how to actually use this. So be right back, I suppose. Okay, so basically this is the main thing. So we type select from to get this pretty much. We type from and then what we want to get, so people usually. And then where is the specific thing we want. So for example, what we're gonna do here. So we're gonna do search. We're gonna do... Wait, I already forgot. I've already forgot. Select first. Select asterisk. Second is from. So let's do from teachers, right? Yeah, from this. And then the last one was where. So we do where. And we're gonna go h. Sorry, not h. Height. We want height. Equals same as hers. So 61. Right? Submit. Ah, there we go.
Hey.
Here's a quick tip. If you want to save your tables for later, make sure to hit the save table checkbox. Ah, this one. Okay. So this is all with 61. We can do data joint. So we can do and date joint equals, and the date has to be American 24. Is that correct? Yeah. So that's her. So we got her. So Eleanor Monroe. Okay. Is that her though? That's my... Oh wait, we have music play as well. Ooh. Gonna make it a bit not as loud. Okay, nice. I didn't know there's a music player. So from clues, we have this, which is nothing. And this, right? Is there anything else? Or is that it? Because I don't want to sort of just send it, but that was kind of the thing, right? So Eleanor, let's see if it's correct. Oops. If it's not, then well, that's on me. Let's see if that's correct, or if there was more to do. Okay, it was correct. Nice. Okay.
Nice job, Detective. She won't be littering anymore with her hands cuffed behind her back. Did you know that it takes up to 500 years for plastic to decompose? That 9 billion tons of litter end up in the ocean every year.
Okay, anything?
Mother Nature thanks you, Detective. You've given the flowers and fauna of this glorious nation.
Okay, I think we're gonna read ourselves because not everything here is like important. So, okay, bigger case. You can't let anyone know you're investigating, whatever. The crime happened last night in our police department at roughly 10 p.m. It was at this late rainy hour of the night that someone ate my sandwich. Oh no. Luckily, our security cameras caught the suspect right before the act. It looks like it was one of us. Someone who betrayed their uniform. I'll provide you a list of every officer from our division, along with the timesheet of when everyone came in and out. So again, that's the timesheet of people checking in. I cannot make this smaller though, just realized. So we have another chapter. So we can join the tables, I'm guessing. Oh my god. So, to provide nicknames for tables, okay. Simo, we should expand our toolbox. Okay, so we can make it smaller or bigger, right? I think. Some tables have columns that represent the time. Okay. Let's try. So we have clues. So victim. Oh no. Okay, so the victim is pretty much just the sandwich for fun. Oh, what? I mean, yeah, what I said is correct, just... Okay, so we have the date. That's the most important, I would assume, in this one. So here are all the cops. So security level 3, I would assume. So we go to our search. Okay, I need to do the first one again. So select asterisk from cops. Then the last one is where. Where security level equals 3. So this is better, but still a lot. What else do we know? Oh, check-in times. So I think we need to add, right? So that's why we use the join. Yeah. What's the T1 thing? Table 1, right? Okay, is the ID column from table 1. Okay. So from cops add. Oh, doesn't work. Huh, it doesn't work. Interesting. So what do I need to do? You must also specify what columns, or join. Not add. Join. Oops. Join from timesheet. And we want... can I do this? So check... I think it was that they checked in, right? Not checked out. Cameras caught the suspect. Looks like it was one of us. Someone had betrayed the uniform. Supposed to be uncorrupted from their sins. Ah, okay, I see. So I should probably... Because we have time. So everyone who checked in after is fine? Nah, I think there's no one like that in this list. So how do we do this? Oh. Oh wait, no, check in here in the morning and then check out here. I think I saw someone checking out that, yeah, this one. So it's gonna be this one. But we can do, okay, let's do it properly. So we can do checkout time. I think this is after. Column is greater than or equal to. No, we want greater than 2200. Is that correct? The where statement should not contain commas. If you want to combine multiple conditions, use the and or. Like this? Oh, there was way more. What? Oh wait, is it because... Wait, there's way more, what? Than the previous table. Look, there's only this much. Wait, so can we do from... Wait, so we did not do it correctly for sure. From result 1, maybe. Right, because this is result 1. Result... Can I do that? I can't, okay. So from cops, right. So this is kind of... useless. It's interesting, because this timesheet shows like one person from checkout time being after 10. Hey, I want to learn how to use it properly, because I know who it is technically, but I want to see how to actually use it properly. Okay, so we can use the as to add the nicknames, right? But that doesn't matter, because we just use the name, right? This keyword also isn't actually necessary, yeah, this doesn't matter. Okay, so when you join, you must also specify what columns you want to join on. For any shared column names, it must also be specified which tables they come from. So for example, table 1 and then ID uses the ID column from the table 1. Okay, I see. So... Ah, right, because there might be... Well, for this one it's different, actually. All of them are different. Okay. Okay, so let's try. So it should be select from cops, join timesheet, because we need this. So it should be security level 3. Oh, maybe... I mean, we need to add the date, right? How do we add date? What's the time? Okay. What about the date? Okay, so we can do that. So year, month. Can I add... like this, to add 19980628, right? Yeah. You can also do this, actually. The date after the where statement is in an unexpected place. Okay, so for now, if I just do this, what do I get? I get every single person who... Yeah, but yeah, it's So it's not taking it from what we got. Because this is what we need, right? This and this. Those two tables. Okay. For any shared column, nice almost. Okay, wait. Let's do it from here. We have two tables that share a column. Do they share a column? Oh, they do share a batch number. Okay. But I don't think I need to join them, technically. Wait, so instead of... No, I do have join, that's fine. So we joined the tables together. But maybe I shouldn't? Okay, so on is which ones I want to join. But that doesn't matter in this... Actually, badge number. Okay, so join on. Let's say... Cops... Dot, right? Badge... Number? Like this, and then... Timesheet dot batch number. Isn't it gonna help? Oh, it does. Okay, it made it way smaller. Now, so it's one of these. Huh. Okay. How do I know which one is from these? There's like something missing then. Okay, wait. We've got way too many windows open. Okay. Oh wait, badge number. Oh, okay, it's both. It's because it's from the second thing. Okay. So we have security level. Actually. So which ones are... Yeah, badge number, check-in time, check-out time. So that's all, pretty much. Check-in time does not matter here. But it's one of these. Oh wait, did he have a gun? Where is it? Where was my information? Clues. He has a gun. Guns issued 1. So that's you, Bernard Ladner. Ha, got you. Okay. Arrest. I hope that's correct. I mean, we only have 6 people here. So technically I could type something like guns issued equals and more, 1 or more, right? Something like that. Ah, there we go. Okay, that's getting fun. I see why this game has such good reviews. Oh my god.
Wow. You actually got him.
Okay, we're not gonna listen. Okay, I feel an emptiness in the pit. Okay, well, no time to waste. We got an urgent call earlier from local hotel manager. Said we got a perp that was supposed to check out of the room at 6:30. You know what time it is? 6:45. Okay, we got a cold jail cell waiting for them. Say that our suspect was in town to visit some conventions. They also found a lot of strange stuff in the suspect's room. Right, we also asked around the convention center and managed to get a list of everyone who came to the last big event. I hope this is not timed. It says as if it was timed, but I don't think so. Okay. So. Oh my god. Okay. Let's find a lot of strange stuff. Photos of the suspect we found proved to be helpful. We also asked around the convention and managed to get a list of everyone who came to the last big event. Given what we know, that's where we're gonna find who we're looking for. Right. Okay. A lamp con. Lotion con. Stay moist, stay happy. Wow. Okay. Today I felt sad and didn't win any contests. I could have won, but I arrived too late to enter, so I couldn't attend. Another convention was over capacity. I couldn't even get in. From a quick peek, they had over 300 people. Okay, so there's some information in it, right? I'm assuming that's how he looks like. So that's the lamp, that's the lotion. Me with all my convention stuff, minus Dumbbells. I only had an exact average of them anyways. Okay, and that's the date. So he didn't manage to get to this one, which started at... well, doesn't say. Okay, we'll see. So LampCon. Okay, so I see. So there's 6 lamps. So, okay, that would be a lot to do. Okay. Let's try it. Let's see what Manual says. Way to view the overall information about columns in a table. Okay. Finds the amount of rows in a column. Oh, what the hell. For now, aggregation functions can only appear in the select statement with no other columns. Okay. So we check by doing average, max, stuff like that from... okay. So let's try it. So if we do... actually, well, we need to do our first one, right, anyway. Select LampCon. So do we do from... we don't have to do from, right? In this one. We can just... oh no, it is still from. Okay, from lamps brought. And then max 5. Minimum... sorry, 6. Minimum... bro, I hate coding. Low key. So he has 6, so maximum and minimum 6. Can I just get that? Cannot find table named lamps brought. So so this is a lamp con. After the from statement is in an unexpected place. We don't need this? No, we do need this. What? But there's no... huh. The results of running this query can be seen below. Wait, so, so we don't say the number, we say lamps brought. I don't have to type every single one, do I? Okay, it still doesn't work. Oh my days. Okay. Oh my brother. When any tables are joined together, the result will only contain values that are shared across all tables. Jesus Christ. If you want to save and use the result of an aggregation function later, make sure to give it a handy nickname to make it an easy to use later. Ah, you can like save. Okay, I see. Oh my days. Oh, my head actually is hurting now. Right. We have attendees, lotion con, dump con, and bureau con. A bureau con? That was not even in the thing. That's the one he didn't manage to get to. Yeah, okay. Are the forms? What are the forms for? Which one? Is it this one? Oh no, wait, the Bureaucon was the first one. Ah, so it is all of them. Okay, all 4. Meet. Okay, so this is the forms. So if we go into this one, that should be 8 forms. Okay. So now, technically I should just get the numbers of the things brought, right? So how do I do this in a smart way? Find the largest value in column, find the smallest value in column. Find the amount of rows in column. I feel like this doesn't help me at all, in some way. If you know how to join 2 tables, join 3 is easy, so it's joining 4 and yeah, blah blah. Okay. So let's do select asterisk. So then do from. So in order, lamp con. Why does it say T1 like this? Is it for the name? Join all other ones. So lotion con, dump con, and Ureucon. Jesus, the name of this one. Okay, so that's that. We have all 4 of them. And then we can do from this previous chapter on, right? What columns you want to join. So we want to do on. Right? So we do on lampcon as lamps brought. Why is it like this? Why is it here and then end says there? Can I just add all the time? So for example, I do add. I do lotion con dot. I'm assuming it's lotion brought or bottles. Okay. Can I? Okay, I can keep typing and. Okay. And dump con dumps brought and bureau con dot forms brought. If I press here, submit. Okay. Expression between the and or operates cannot solely contain Ben number strings or identifiers. For example, instead of this condition, write this. Ah, right, because I didn't bring... Ah, okay, I get it. So, for the lamps it was 6. For lotion... So we need to take this picture. For lotion it was 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 8. For forms it's also 8, it seems. This should be like this. Okay, so we have forms, lotion, and lampcon. And we don't know how many dumbbells, basically. If I press... Oops. Did not mean to press that. Submit. Okay, again, it doesn't work. Why does it not work? So instead of this condition, C1 equals 1, end2, end3, write this. But that's what I wrote, no? I think I need help. I need help.
Hey.
My personal problems, what?
Aha.
You can use aggregate functions to find out more information about each convention. Okay, so that's this one. If you know how to join two tables, joining more, okay, blah blah. This is what I did, no? Low key. Ah, wait, no, I see. So I can do... Ah. So they want me to do something like... If we delete ant from here, I think. So you have like lamp and lotion con. So we type... It will compare, so... But that means there's no numbers, right? Just like this. Then... It'll be like this. But, I mean, this won't work because I don't have the dump con. He didn't go to it, right? If I press this... My game just lagged. Oh my god, my game just froze. I mean, I guess... Oh. Okay, it unfroze. Okay, this command is... almost crashing my game. Okay, yep. Doesn't work. Just gonna not do that. Be careful though, when any tables are joined together, the result will only contain values. Bro, when I'm pressing something, it lags. Oh, there we go. Try to limit results in the where or from. Ah, because it probably brought everything. No, but I did write this. Like... Brother. If you want to save and use the results, blah blah. Okay. You should now be extremely skilled. Well, no. Overall information about columns in a table. So can I just randomly type max somewhere? Like, where would I write this then? On the example table. Actually, what if we do this? What if we just do join these? Table is not joined with another table in your query. You can join tables by adding on equals expression in the on statement of your join. Add the expression table 1 column. Ah, okay. So we can't do that then. So we do on, and then we join the... Jesus Christ. Also, wait. I want to check something. From the clues, I think? Nah, this doesn't help. Attendees. We still have attendees. But that's just ID. Okay. It was... Wait, manual. This... Wait. Equals... Add the expression to join table 1 with table 2. I see, because I think I would have to add the ID, right? Actually, I'm not sure. What is this song, bro? Oh, there we go. Something more chill. Also, we have web browser. Needs surgeon approval for internet access. Oh no. Guess that's probably later on. But Jesus Christ, this is difficult. Okay, I can make notes, but I don't think that's gonna help us much. Okay. I need to log in. So. Do I first use some of these ones? So this is joining the tables. Which we need, actually. So we can add where after joining them together. And where means exactly which column from, right? I think. So what we do is join the tables. But these tables don't have the same... the only same thing they do is the attendees ID, right? Probably. That's probably about it. I would say. Yeah. I would need to write something like... From all these tables, give me the numbers of dumps brought 0. I guess it'll be 0. I'm not sure if I should add and here or just comma. Because this is gonna be from all of them, right? 0. Let's try this again. Something like this. Bottles was also 8, I think. I'm gonna check just to make not like a 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that's 8. And then 8 forms as well. Wait, maybe there's a reason why there's 8 on each of them. Can I like... Cannot be placed right next to a table name. Table aliases cannot start with numbers or special characters. Okay. Wait, can we do... Can we... Oops. Can we do like this and then... What was the... command for that? The aggregate function, yeah. So this joins them together and looks at these. I'm not sure that will be able to, yeah. Cannot find table name bottles brought. Are you sure this is the right table? Wait, it's not supposed to be a table. It's supposed to be... Ah, okay, because it needs to be... like this. So, Euro is here, then LampCon. Wait, oops, LampCon should be here. LotionCon should be here. But I think I'm gonna remove the DumpCon because it should have 0 anyway. So I'm just gonna disregard it for now. Because all of these are 8. So now, so on. If I press submit, cannot be placed right next to a table name Start with numbers, special characters. But I cannot do this. That's what it says here. That's how it's done on this one. So why can it not be like this? Table aliases cannot start with numbers or special characters.
What?
Okay, dude. Oh wait, because I'm doing join wrong. Basically. Because join means you join the tables, but they don't have the same name, like the name of the column. So this is closer to what it should be now. And then I can decide on table this one, I want lamps brought. But I still don't get why it says that I cannot put a dot in there. When you join, you must also specify what columns you want to join. Yeah, so we don't use join here. We just take the tables we have. We extract the lamps brought, bottles brought, and forms brought from them. Actually, we can also do the last one, which is actually no, let's not complicate it, because I need to get the actual thing correctly. Okay. Yeah, so we have here table 1, table 2. So here they use the same ID, but we cannot do that because for us it's like this. So the only thing we could join is attendee ID, which actually is not useful because that's the last thing we need, essentially. So we need to tell it that I want to search this through the lampcon to be all of the ones that have 8 in it, all that have bottles 8, and put it as 1. But is that possible? Am I cooking too hard? Is that what I'm doing? Binding knowledge. When you join, you must also specify what columns you want to join on. You can do this by putting an equals operator between the 2 shared columns to form a condition. That would mean like this, instead of the comma, I guess. That doesn't work though. Set more than 2 columns equal to each other. Use the AND keyword. If I do this, what will it be? Column 1. Okay. Like this. Nothing was found in the database. Ah, there we go. So that means, okay. Wait, was all of the... No, it was 6 lamps. Okay, nothing was found. So that means I made a mistake in a way. Or at least I cannot combo this much together. Okay. Wait, do we have... Because it's time, right? Some columns exactly have time. There's no time on this one. So, shall we do it slower? So let's do lampcon first. Basically should be this. Should be where? All IDs that have 6. Okay. That helps. Now. Yeah, okay, I think I got it. Okay. I think I tried doing too much with like single command. So now we change to lotion con dot bottles brought to 8. What? Did I make a mistake? Oh, a lamp con. Oops. Lotion con. Wait, what? No one had 8? Huh? That cannot be true. This is 8. Okay, there's nothing about the numbers. Me with all my convention stuff minus dumbbells. I only had an exact average of them anyways. Exact average of them anyways. Does he mean dumbbells? Like he had 8? Exact average. That would mean 8. I'm assuming. Okay, there's 6 lamps. Wait, which... It's green. So is this only the green ones? So 4? Okay. So that's that. And then... Euro. Yuri. Oh, con. Jesus Christ. Who made the name of this? Con. Like, Jesus Christ. Forms was 8. So I copy this. Okay. So I'm still not sure about the dumbbells. Exact average. I have no idea. Okay, what if we just join these 3 tables? So now, from result 23. Huh? I cannot do that? No way I cannot do that. So, it has to be with one... What do you call it? Oh my god! From one search. Oh, there's no way. Oh my god. There's the date. The date doesn't matter. The 2 conventions I went to were fun though. Another convention was over capacity. I couldn't even get in. We got over 300 people. Wait, what? I'm confused then. I'm more confused than at the start. So, did any of these have more than 300? I don't think that's the case. Doesn't seem like it had... Oh wait, attendees. I guess the 300... Okay, there might be, now that I scrolled. I still don't get it though. Okay, I'm gonna try to figure it out myself, I think. Because the video is already gonna be long. Okay, so basically, I was not good enough to do this. I had to check an answer. I did have to check a video on how to do it. But at least it gave me some understanding. So basically, you compare. So you have to find the number, right? So we know that the forms brought is 8, and we know that the dumps were average. Because he only went to 2 cons, basically. So the dumps, if you type like the command for the average dumbbells brought, it's 10. And he said in his clues that it's 10 in this one. So you have this one and this one as the 2 main things to help us. So we need to then compare the IDs from both lists of the dumpcon and bureaucon. And if we press submit, we get the person. Oh boy. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to do the next one. We'll see what it is about, but it's gonna be even more difficult than this one, so I'm not sure I will get that. So yeah, I think that will be the end of the video here, but I wanna see the next one at least. Okay, there we go. Looks different than on the picture. Okay.
Hey, the person we arrested doesn't look like the suspect in the picture we found in the hotel room.
Oh
You
yeah.
sure this is the right person?
So it wasn't the right person. Well, we'll make something up. That just means more work for me. Okay, now that you've gotten the hang of things, I've also removed your internet access restriction. You may need it for this case. Okay, so we get web browser. Okay. War crimes. Happened in a local restaurant downtown. The suspect left a threatening photograph of his deed at the crime scene. She also gives a list of every customer that visited that day. Okay, at least there's not that much info. As in, we have this. And we have... We're gonna try again. No. And we have... Oh, he ordered a pineapple on a pizza? Is that it? Pizza and slices. Okay. Fruit and pizza in one place. I don't get what's happening here, though.
Yes, I saw it. I couldn't believe my eyes. Pineapple and pizza
Okay, dude.
together? Ugh. I don't know his name, but he's been here a few times before, and I remember him since he always leaves the lowest percentage tip every time he pays. But
Okay, this is important info. So he leaves the lowest percentage tip. Oh, we have a manual for the 5th chapter. Group. Okay. Allows us to group a common column value into a single row. Okay. We can make multiple groups. So we should probably, yeah, make this so that the visualization of this is easier, right? So let's try that. Search. So this query will do this, essentially. So, but there's no point. Wait, actually, oh no, I can do that still. That's fine. Then you can. Oh, so we can also add like something here. Okay. So for now, let's just do select last name from customers, group by last name. Group. So this should give me a sorted list. Oh, what? Not exactly what I wanted. I mean, it alphabetically gave it to me. Okay, so this by itself is not useful. Okay, so we're gonna have to use our internet. Start browsing. So I would assume we check the pizza and slices. Right? Oh, wait. Oh, pizzaslices.net. Pizzaslices.net. See if your order for today is ready. Tipping is mandatory. Wait, we downloaded that. Putting pineapple on a pizza is illegal and considered a war crime. Oh, okay. So we can check. Okay, so that's what we kind of needed from this site, probably. So we have tips. Ooh, okay. So she said the lowest tip, right? There is pineapple. Ah, so okay, so so they had to order a pineapple and a pizza to do that, right? Because what this is, it's just that you can have them separate, right? Pizza and slices, as in slices of fruit. So you can have fruit and pizza in one slice. Okay, that's the joke, right? But he put the pineapple on the pizza. Okay, so that means what we need to do is to get we need to check who ordered pineapple, right? So select item purchased from orders. What was the command for this? This one, right? Where item purchased equals pineapple, right? Is that correct? Oh, I need to put it in quotation, right? Yeah. So if I press submit, I should get the list of... Oh. But not exactly what I wanted. Ah, okay. I need select from orders as well. Cannot find a column named orders. Ah, so this one should be item purchased, right? Oh, so this is table. Okay, so this is correct. So select. I can just do asterisk, I guess. There we go. Okay. So we have a list. So this is list of people who bought a pineapple. Okay. Oh, actually we need to group. We need people who bought a pizza and a pineapple, right? So you just need to add the word pizza, I think. Probably pepperoni pizza, considering the image, I think, actually. Yeah, that would make sense. Okay. So orders... and... item... Actually, no, group by, right? Okay, we can do this. Group by... So what would we say, though? Group by what? Group by... item purchase? Order number. If I do this, what will I get? Column results that are ungrouped and... Okay. Unexpected and random. Okay, not exactly then. So we need to add and item purchased equals... I would say pepperoni pizza. Did I spell it correctly? Pepperoni pizza, yeah. Okay, nothing was found. If I delete this... Okay, But that's a problem. Because Because what this shows me is, oh, it would need to have both in the same line, right? Basically, I think that's what it does. Okay, so which means we need to. I'm reading this. Multiple groups. You cannot select ungrouped and okay, yeah. So I think that's what I did accidentally. Oh my days. Now, you know what? As much as the game is fun, it's not for me. As in, I'm just not good enough in SQL and coding, I guess. But that was fun regardless. So that was Database Detective Minor Crimes Division. Very fun game. As in, like, it is fun, but holy, it's difficult. I'm assuming if you are like a person who codes or uses SQL, like if you are pro at it, then I assume you are very good. So that this game would be very easy for you. So I guess it's for people who like maybe want to learn coding a little bit, or SQL at least. So the game is done in like a cutesy, kind of chill, fun to do, no pressure style. That's fine, even though I struggled a lot. Like, I did some of it by myself, and that was fun already, even though it was relatively simple. That was fun. That was fun. I feel bad that I just will not even see every chapter, because, I mean, that's only halfway, right? Yeah, that's like, there's still like 3 more chapters to check. And then using all of this knowledge together would be fun, if I knew how to use it well. But I don't. So, yeah, that's cool. Music is cool. I like that there's a couple tracks in there. You still have some help here. I like that the game is very cutesy. There's no time pressure or anything. No, that was still fun. That was still fun to try. So I'm Andy. That was Database Detective Minor Crimes Division. Please leave a comment, like, subscription. Helps the channel grow. I would really appreciate it. You can check out my Steam curator page and my coffee page. That will be all from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.